think casually binging anime won't harm you? And yes, it is like that until your data gets leaked. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. Anime streaming platform Crunchyroll has confirmed that some customer information was stolen by a hacker earlier this month. On March 19th, a hacker contacted the outlets Bleeping Computer and International Cyber Digest and claimed that they had breached the account of an employee a week ago on March 12th, who works for one of Crunchyroll's vendors in India. The hacker allegedly infected the employee's device with malware and gained access to Crunchyroll support tickets and stole roughly 100 gigabytes of data. According to sources, the hacker claimed he's obtained information belonging to 6.8 million users and demanded $5 million from Crunchyroll to prevent the data from being leaked, but the company didn't respond to the demand. In a statement, Crunchyroll confirmed the incident, saying that the information is primarily limited to customer service ticket data, following an incident with a third-party vendor. Crunchyroll is a subsidiary of Sony that has 17 million paying subscribers and 120 million registered users in numerous countries. Crunchyroll's confirmation of the incident came at the same time that it announced more than 40 new anime programs to hit the streaming service this spring. New anime like Demons of the Shadow Realm and Mistress Kanan is devilishly easy, along with new seasons of shows like Rented Girlfriend and Vistoria Wand and Sword are set to arrive this April. But after this data breach, diving into your favorite anime world won't be so carefree after all. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.